With ginger, honey and warm water, you can cure cough, cold and catarrh. This is because ginger and honey has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that helps to relax airways, reduce irritation and also break down the mucus in our throat. All you have to do is get 1 seed of ginger, peel the bark, pound it and mix with 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. Add also 2 to 3 tablespoons of warm water. Stir together and in the morning, afternoon and night, take just 1 tablespoon of this mixture. And for 3 days, your catarrh, cough and cold is gone. Another remedy is by adding menthol to hot water and inhaling the steam every morning for 3 days. And please avoid taking cold water this period. Do these things and thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye.